I bought one of these towable excavator from Princess Auto for working around the yard, but I made a few modifications. I added this steel plate and mounted 2 extra control valves and a flow divider and a flow control, so I can control the flow whether it goes to the loader or to these drive wheels that I added. 2 hydraulic motors, one on each side, so I can move back and forth. Or I've got two spool valves here, and so I've got the possibility of a couple more functions. So I've got 2 hoses run here, so I've got 2 auxiliaries there. Just a little project for here in the yard. So the oil comes from the pump. I can either direct it to the loader or to my drive, my valves here for my auxiliary or my drive wheels, or divide it 50-50. And then it splits 50-50 to go to each valve, so I got even flow to each drive wheel. Just a little project of my own.